In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to block websites on iPad. To do that guys, first of all you have to open settings and just go to your screen time, and from here guys you have to tap on content and privacy restrictions. And now from here guys you have to uh, when you enable this, it will ask you for the passcode. You have to just set the passcode if you haven't already. Set the screen time passcode to prevent unauthorized change to your settings. Now you have to just configure the web content restriction. So you have to just tap on the content privacy restriction and then app store and media web games, and then you will find here the website content. Tap on this, and from here guys you can choose limit adult website, and when you tap on this you can uh, tap on this never allow website and just enter your website you want to block on your iPad. Fine, so yeah, that's how guys you can do it. Hope you like it, and yeah, that's how you can block any website on iPad. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.